Okay, so we're looking at graphing with direct proportion. Question, you guys know a lot of these questions, but I just want to make sure you're setting everything out correctly. So the question will say, copper pipe is often used in plumbing. A, copy and complete the following table of mass, which is how much it weighs, and the length of piping L, which is the length of piping, obviously. So they give it to you exactly like this, so you've got to fill it in. So you can see that you had to times that by 4 to get 4. You had to times that by 4 to get 8. So you're going to times them all by 4. So we go 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. And 7 times 4 is 28. Last one, 8 times 4 is 32. Beautiful. You know how to do that. Make sure that you fill it all out. Make sure you set it out nicely, one underneath each other. Right. Then we get B. Construct a graph using the information from your completed table. Now, here again, you know how to do this. I want it to be beautiful and to include all these details, such as, right, there's the graph. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, so we've got, first of all, X. Now, X runs always is your first line, Y is always your second line. So therefore, this line is X, and this line is Y. So as it's written here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, make your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Probably a good idea to go to the next one. You're going to draw a line. You're going to obviously put your little and so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to put an arrow on the end of that line. That is showing that you know that the line actually continues. This is just a snapshot, just an idea. And you have to label that X. Same on this side, you draw your Y line, you put your arrow on the end, and you label it Y. Next important thing is, obviously your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one will go up as that one goes up. As long as they're going up exactly the same, you can put, when I say exactly the same, the interval is exactly the same. So there's 4 in between each one. That one, there was 1 in between each one. Don't do them with different intervals in between them. Okay, so 0, 4, 8, 12, as it's gone there, beautiful. The next thing that's important is a heading. A heading just saying what this is about. This is about copper pipe. Okay, you've got to put that on there. Then you've got to say my length in meters. So you tell me what you're doing and your mass in kilograms. Obviously, the next thing is to then draw your dots and make a straight line or a curvy line, whatever the line represents, but join your dots up. That's really important. Okay, so when I'm marking this, I'm going to be looking for all of those things are going to be marks. So you can't leave any of that out. Obviously, come and show me your diagrams today and we'll check how they're going. Right. And the next one says C. From your graph, are the quantities directly proportional? Now, you know that if it's a straight line, yes, it's directly proportional. So you could say, yes, it is. D. What mass would 22 meters of pipe have? Now, I've got to move this thing again and put it on the side. Okay, so you're going to think of 22 meters of pipe. So here you're looking at meters. You know that you have to then divide by 4 to get back there. So you're looking at something like this. So the meters divided by 4 tells me how many kilograms it is. So they're saying 22 meters. So you would go 22 meters divided by 4, and that would give me 5.5 kilograms. So show you're working out. He would say how many kilograms of copper would there be in 15 meters of pipe. So they're giving you the meters. You know you have to divide by 4 to get the kilograms. So again, meters divided by 4 equals kilograms, and you go 15 divided by 4 gives me 3.75 kilograms. F, what length of pipe would have with a mass of 4.5 kilos? So now we're starting with the kilos, and we know that we had to multiply by 4 to get our measurement. So there we go. We go 4 kilograms gives us 18 meters. Beautiful. And the last question, how long would a 6.25 kilo piece of pipe be? So we've got the kilos, we want to get the meters, we then have to times. So we go 4 times kilogram gives us meters, and 4 times 6.25 gives us 25 meters. And that, my darlings, is how you do a diagram, a graph. Right, show me your things.